How to export subtitle captions in Premiere Pro. Click on Edit and then click on Text. Click Create Captions from Transcript. Wait few seconds so that captions will be created. Select Caption Layer. Click on Captions here. Select your desired location and click on Save. Thanks for watching.